Welcome to Cooking with Gerald. On today's episode, I'll be frying oyster mushrooms with lemon pepper seasoning and buffalo sauce. Before we get started, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I'd like to say welcome and please come back because I'll be posting a lot of good content. And for those of you that are return viewers, welcome back. And please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and go ahead and share with everyone that you know, as well as leave me some comments down below. I will be uploading videos regularly, so go ahead and click that notification bell in the top right hand corner of the screen so you don't miss out on the videos each time I do upload a new one. Now on to the video. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my kitchen. On this episode of Cooking with Gerald, I'm actually making some fried mushrooms or faux buffalo wings. And I'm using oyster mushrooms, which I got these last week so they don't look the best, but they are still good. So to get started, you're going to need oyster mushrooms or a mushroom of your choice, club soda, or seltzer water. You're going to need some flour to coat the some seasoned flour to coat them, and then also some flour to make the batter that you're going to dip them in. I think that's good enough right there. A little bit more. All right, so with this flour that I'm going to coat them in, I'm going to actually go ahead and season. And I have an all-purpose seasoning, which is garlic powder, onion powder, a little parsley, pepper, and some other seasonings in there. I'm also going to go ahead and add a little salt because the seasoning does not have much salt in it at all. All right. So what I'm going to do is put this top on here and shake this up. So that the seasonings are combined. I'm going to go ahead and throw my mushrooms in here. Which, let me break these up. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and shake this up. Like I said, the reason that I'm doing this is to coat the mushrooms with flour so that they will stick to the batter. Those over here. Shake all that excess flour off. All right, so we'll set this aside and go ahead and make our batter. I'm actually going to go ahead and season this too, with just a little seasoning, because we already have some of the other batter. Stir it around, and then go ahead and add the club soda. We'll add a little bit at a time. You don't want your batter to be thick, but you don't want it to be ultra thin either. You want it to be about the consistency of tempura. If it's too thick, it's gonna go on too thick and you're gonna have a real thick crust on there and you don't want to do that. I think this is gonna be enough right here. I also have my oil on my stove too that's heating up. I need to add a little flour to that with too much soda. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take one of my pieces of mushroom. I'm gonna go ahead and dip it in this flour. This is a sample one. Oh, I'm making a mess. I'm gonna double dip it. All right, so my grease is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and throw that in there just like that. We're gonna do a test to see how this one comes out. All right, guys, so this is frying. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it over. It's not brown enough, I'm gonna still go ahead and turn it over. So I've tested that and I'm not gonna do the double dip. This has a real heavy, thick crust on it. So I'm just gonna do a single dip and that's it. So I'll be back. Guys, so I have my mushrooms here. I'm gonna go ahead and throw them in there. Oh, I forgot to tell you, one reason why I use the club soda or some type of carbonated water is because it makes the batter light. Like when you're doing a fish and chips. All right, guys, so this is why you don't want to do the double dip. Hear that? It's hard as a brick. Too crunchy. All right, so getting these mushrooms down in the batter. I'll go ahead and drop them. All right, I'll just do a few at a time. Top on and shake these bad boys up. All right. And I'll go ahead and drop these. All right, so I'll go ahead and let those cook and I'll be back. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and watching my video. Please leave me some comments down below and let me know what you thought about the video. Also, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with everyone that you know. And don't forget to click that notification bell in the top right-hand corner of the screen so that you'll be notified each time I do upload a new video. You can also find me on other social media platforms, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. I also have a Facebook group, Cooking with Gerald. We post recipes and photos of dishes that we've cooked. All of my links to all these platforms are down below. Until next time, stay safe.